Hi, welcome back to Oak Business Consultant. Today we are going to examine potato farming Excel financial model. In order to review this model, we are going to go through 7 different sheets. But before doing that, please note that each cells represent input or assumption cells, while the gray cells represent linked cells. Starting off with the first sheet, assumptions. As you can see, we have added all the necessary assumptions for this business. Any customer or client or business who is using this template can change these assumptions based on his or her business needs. We have added assumptions for investment, for loan, cost assumptions, revenue assumptions, payroll assumptions, capital expenditure assumptions, and much more. The next sheet, revenue analysis. This sheet not only contains the annual and monthly analysis of revenue, but also contains analysis for cost of goods sold, total production, inventory, and sales volume. Next sheet, supporting details. In this sheet, we have added all the workings for expenses such as operating expenses, payroll expenses, schedules for depreciation, loan schedule, and working capital. We have added all the monthly analysis in this sheet. Moving on to the next sheet, income statements, financial statements. This sheet contains the three major financial statements: income statement, cash flow statement, and balance sheet. The income statement shows the profitability of the business, while the cash flow shows the cash inflows and outflows for the next 5 years. And similarly, the balance sheet shows the performance of the business. Startup summary. In this sheet, we have included the initial year financials of the business. It includes a major comparison of total funding and total expenses in the first year of business, as well as total variable costs and total fixed costs. We have also added a graphical representation of these financials. In the next sheet, financial analysis, we have added break-even analysis and sensitivity analysis. Also, we have included the major key performance indicators and financial ratios and company valuation, where we have calculated the NPV, IRR, and payback period of the company. We have added the both pessimistic and optimistic cases of sensitivity analysis. Also, we have added break-even analysis, which basically shows the point that the business reaches when it is in a situation of no profit, no loss. Finally, the dashboard contains the graphical representation of all the financials that we have computed in the previous sheets. These include distribution of operating expenses, department-wise distribution of operating expenses, profitability ratios, profitability in dollars, total assets, total liabilities, cost of sales, and much more. Thank you for your time.